Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, October the 25th, 2021. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the binary puzzle. So today, this will be my last puzzle, and tomorrow I will do the other three puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a Tectonic with 1 star. But now the 4 stars. And is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. But this will be a number 3580. Before I start, let me count the printed digits. I think this one has 13. I've already counted. Could be a hard one. Could be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Can we see here the dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box, and here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those two boxes. Here also 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Only one? Yeah. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And, well, I need to wait. But I know if you see a triple box, the inside box, this box, the box near the middle box of this is the middle box, near the middle box. This inside box cannot be the 1, the 2, or 3, but could be a 4 or could be a 5. Only these two numbers, but we already have a 4 in this area, so it must be a 5 then. Okay. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? Let me scan. Scan. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. So the following strategy now is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or construction, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw this. If you see a T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So let me draw this. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Do we have more T shapes? Let me scan. No. I see here the Z construction. Yeah. A shape. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Do we have more Z constructions? No. Then the following structure. How about this shape? Here. Let me draw this. Alright. Here we have this shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. That means that now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Okay, more of this kind of shapes here. Another one, rotated, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. And this box is also connected with that box, 1 or a 2. Ah, we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, more shapes. Here, another one. Let me draw this. Yeah. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Okay. More of this kind of shape? No. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Okay, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Here another 1, but rotated. So this box is the same number as that box. And it cannot be a 3 because we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, but it cannot be a 2, so it must be a 1 here. This box is connected with that box, should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Okay, those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 5. There are more, but in this puzzle you need to recognize those 5. Then it's easy, that's the following step. Then it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a double 1 and a double 3 there. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. We have 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means I cannot place a 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. This box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's rather a 1 star because for a 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And for a 4 star Sudoku, the time limit is 30 minutes or more. Okay. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, Only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, medium, the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday with the rest of the puzzles in this additional. The letter Sudoku, the 2 star Sudoku, and the Tectonic I will solve. So, until then, bye-bye for now.